Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss one more function of if, which is if error. In my previous videos, we have discussed about if and ifs. If you want to look those videos, you can have a link in the description. In this, we will see if error. Now let's take an example. We are using a function VLookup. Now, if you want any help on that, I have kept a link in the description for this also. VLookup. I'm currently saying I'm looking for a value Dell laptop. Okay, and the table array is from this to this. Fine. And then now my table array is of two columns, one and two. But I say I need the value from the third column, comma, zero, exact match. Now this function will return an error, which is ref, because reference is wrong, not correct here. The table array has only two columns, and you are saying that you need the value from the third column. Because of this, you get this error. So now if you say want, instead of this kind of error, there should be some proper description error should be there. How you can get, so here you can use this function if error. So I say if error, click on OK. Now in the value, I say we lookup value should be either you can hard code. Currently I will say from this, comma, the cell table array is from this to this, comma 3 comma 0. Now if this expression is correct, if this function is correct, then the result will be done according to this function. Now if this function has any issue, then whatever you are writing here, sorry, I say sorry for the error, this will return. Because in this function there is an error of this, we are giving here 3 and the table array is of only 2 columns. That's why what happened, this function will return an error, and for that error you're saying you need to print this thing. Okay, now as soon as I correct this error, so I say okay, my I know that this is mistake, so I put it 2. Otherwise everything is correct in this function, nothing is wrong. So I say 2 here. Now it's okay, the table array contains 2 columns. I say I need to print the second column result, and as soon as press enter, you get the result. Now this sorry for the error will not print. Similarly, if I put here 2, you get the result. So this message will only print when there is a problem in this function. Okay, otherwise the result of will be print as per this function, which is VLookup here as of now. Okay, great. So I hope if error function is clear to you. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.